Whoa! Wait! I saw that you were about to pay too much for that car. I'm Rock Bottom, Mossy Nissan's price-smashing superhero, and I'm here to show you how Rock Bottom pricing can save you time and money. Let's go! What's a rock bottom price, you say? Well, the good folks here at Mossy respect your time and your intelligence, so they show you their lowest price up front on the Rock Bottom price sticker. First, Mossy takes the manufacturer's suggested retail price, they call that MSRP in car lingo, and they smash it down with a big Mossy discount. That's great, but we're not done yet. We smash that price down again with available rebates. There! Now that's a rock bottom price! What does that mean to you? It means less hassle when you're buying a car. So instead of going back and forth on price, you can get right to finding that perfect vehicle. It also means you'll have more time to compare different models and trim levels to see which one suits your needs and your budget. So, with rock bottom pricing, you'll get Mossy's lowest price right up front. Hassle-free car shopping, plus more time to look for your perfect ride. And with Mossy Nissan's huge inventory, you'll find it. Bottom line, at Mossy Nissan, you'll get more car for less money. So you can drive better for less!